AIs will be able to be embodied as avatars. You'll be able to make them as NPCs in the different games and experiences that you build and all of the different horizons.
So folks, Meta has just launched an incredibly exciting new feature called AI Studio. Now, this platform has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with AI and craft our own personalized AI characters because, just as the name suggests, AI Studio lets you create, share, and discover AI characters you can chat with. The best part is that, obviously, you don't need any technical skills or programming knowledge to use it. It's designed to be accessible to everyone. Basically, you can create an AI character based on your interests, hobbies, or even your own personality. The very cool thing is that you can use your AI avatar in a variety of ways, such as automating responses for your Instagram chats, while obviously still having customization options. And the process of creating your AI character is quite straightforward, folks. You can either use one of the provided prompt templates or just start from scratch. Once you've decided on the purpose and personality of your AI, you can customize its name, tone, avatar, and even add a tagline. So, pretty cool stuff.
Max, the sous chef, who can help you come up with a recipe and help you come up with ideas. So if you want to find a way to sneak some broccoli into your kid's dinner.
Meta's also got you covered with a detailed step-by-step guide, including expert tips and best practices to help you bring your AI character to life. Now, another cool thing that AI Studio offers is flexibility. I say this because you can keep your AI character for personal use, share it with friends and followers, or even make it available for anyone to discover and chat with on Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and the web. Meta has highlighted some creative AI characters and examples made by others, like Eat Like You Live There by Chef Mark Murphy, which gives personalized tips for experiencing local dining customs while traveling. Then there's What Lens Bro by photographer and videographer Angel Barkley, offering advice on finding the perfect lens for your photos. And my personal favorite here, Flip Positive Affirmation Dog by actor and pet advocate Rocky Kanaka, which provides you with tailored positive affirmations. But you know, folks, AI Studio isn't just for everyday users because it's also got some neat features for Instagram creators. Basically, with this AI tool, creators can set up an AI that acts as an extension of themselves, quickly handling common DM questions and story replies. This means that this AI can share facts about the creator, link to their favorite brands and past videos, and generally help them connect with more fans and respond faster. Creators have the flexibility to customize their AI based on their Instagram content, specify topics to avoid, and choose which links to share. You can also control when the AI auto-replies and who it responds to. To ensure transparency, all responses from these creator AIs are clearly labeled for fans. You know, folks, notable creators like Chris Ashley, Violet Benson, Don Allen, and Kane Calloway have already made their own AIs, and you can check them out by tapping the message button with the AI Sparkles icon on their Instagram profiles. Naturally, guys, any new technology comes with concerns about safety and responsible use. Meta has tackled these issues by putting in place policies and protections to make sure AIs are used responsibly, keeping interactions both enjoyable and useful. Overall, AI Studio is an exciting innovation, marking the start of a world where anyone can harness the creative power of AI. I'm really looking forward to seeing the unique AI characters people come up with and how creators will leverage this feature. So if you're going to try AI Studio, folks, just let me know in the comments below. Now, I want to talk to you about another very cool news piece from Meta, Segment Anything Model 2, or SAM2 for short. This is big news, guys, because it's the first unified model that can pinpoint which pixels belong to a target object in both images and videos, which is very impressive. Segmentation, the process of identifying which pixels belong to an object, has tons of practical applications. It's useful for tasks like analyzing scientific imagery or editing photos. Meta's original Segment Anything model, released last year, already sparked new AI-powered image editing tools in their apps like Backdrop and Cutouts on Instagram. It's already been applied in various fields like marine science for segmenting sonar images and analyzing coral reefs. satellite imagery analysis for disaster relief, and even in the medical field for segmenting cellular images and helping detect skin cancer. What's truly amazing is that SAM 2 pushes this capability further by extending it to video. It can segment any object in an image or video and consistently track it across all frames of a video in real time. Now, while it might sound straightforward, this is actually a really tough task. In videos, objects can move quickly, change appearance, and get obscured by other objects or part of the scene. Meta had to tackle a lot of these challenges to bring SAM 2 to life. Imagine the possibilities this opens up. Easier video editing and creation, definitely, but also new mixed reality experiences. SAM 2 could track a target object in a video, making it quicker to annotate visual data for training computer vision systems, like those in autonomous vehicles. It could also offer creative ways to select and interact with objects in real time or live videos. One particularly exciting application that Mark Zuckerberg mentioned is in studying natural habitats and ecosystems. Scientists use models like these to study coral reefs and monitor changes over time. And now, with video capabilities and zero-shot learning, where you just tell it what you want, the potential is, well, it's pretty amazing, folks. Now, I think that the fact that SAM 2 can handle video segmentation highlights just how quickly AI technology is advancing, especially in terms of processing power. Then Zuckerberg pointed out that a year ago, applying image segmentation to video just simply wasn't possible. Now, in line with Meta's commitment to open science, the SAM 2 model is available as open source on GitHub. There's also a free demo for anyone to try, so that's pretty neat. Zuckerberg shared insights into how SAM 2 was trained, and it sounds interesting. The model was fed a huge amount of data, including an annotated database of around 50,000 videos made specifically for this purpose. Additionally, it was trained on another database with over 100,000 videos, though this one isn't being made public. While details weren't given, it's likely these videos are user-generated content from Facebook and Instagram, especially considering the tech giant's AI training scandal that I told you about a few days ago. Now, folks, in conversation with NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang, Zuckerberg admitted that while Meta is dedicated to open sourcing much of its AI research, the company still has its own commercial interests. He said, "We're not doing this because we're altruistic people, even though I think this is going to be helpful for the ecosystem. We're doing it because we think this is going to make the thing we're building the best." And I guess that's fair. Meta is a business, after all, not a soup kitchen, and they want to use cutting-edge AI technologies like SAM 2 to improve their products and services. By open sourcing the model and sharing their research, they're also helping the broader AI community, allowing others to explore new applications and uses, or hopefully at least. Interestingly, Meta has made their research on SAM 2 available under an open science approach, allowing others to explore new capabilities and use cases for this technology. They're genuinely excited to see how the AI community will utilize this research, and honestly, so am I. If you're working on something related to this, let me know, folks. I would love to hear about it. That said, also let me know in the comments what you think about Meta AI Studio and whether you like the idea of creating and using your own AI avatars. Don't miss the recommended videos, and as always, see you in the next one, folks. You all take care.